Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into United Parcel account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in www.ups.com. After you come across this official page, click on the profile icon in the top section of your screen. Here, click on the icons of the account that you had used while creating an account respectively. Or if you had used your email or username, then enter your email address or username associated with your account. Then tap on Continue button. Here, you'll have to enter your password. If you do not remember your username or password, then you can click on Forgot Username/Password link. Also, if you do not have an account yet, then you can click on Sign Up option in the top right corner. After entering your details, click on the Login button to proceed. And that is how you can log into United Parcel account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.